Hey guys, WC Cougar X here. Merry Christmas 2021. Well, had a day off. It's raining like crazy. It's been snowing off and on throughout the day, but you know what? When you have a day off, it's time to get out and take care of projects. So today's mission is to take care of this gap between the xenon fender flare and this tire. I had recently bought these set of OEM Ram 2500 tire and wheel combinations off of 2018, and along with that I got the proper metric lug nuts to go with it. And rather than spending a gob of money on new 5/16 standard thread lug nuts, I thought I would just use the ones that came with the truck. So I contacted Motorsport Technology and got the spacers here. These are the Bora 2.5 inch. So what I did was, since I'm using a 2018 Ram 2500 wheel tire combination along with the metric factory lug nuts, I sent in a special request that the studs would be metric, to accept the 2018 metric lug nuts, and to send me the proper standard thread mounting lug nuts. So I got the rear passenger side already on, and everything's just going on beautifully. Now, did I have to use spacers? Well, actually in my case I had to. Not on the rear, because I had no clearance issues whatsoever, but what I found up front is, because these Toyo MTs are a little bit wider than your standard tire, it was starting to rub on my suspension arm there. So that was no bueno. I don't know if you can see a nice little shininess right there. So that became an issue. So besides, I didn't like the look of how sucked in these tires are compared to what I had before that were flush with my xenon fender flares. So rather than try to track down the right offset tires, wheel combinations, and spend another $2,000, I had picked these tires and wheels up. I mean, these tires only have like a couple of thousand miles on them. So I picked these up for $600 for all four, and there's not a scratch on these wheels. So I thought I would just run with what I had and just spend the extra money to get the spacers. Plus, I like the looks of these OEM tires. So we're going to get these mounted up and see what it looks like. So far it's going on really well. I am torquing these on to the proper specs. I'm not going to tell you what those proper specs are. It's going to be up to you to find out what it is for your truck. But here are the proper mounting lug nuts that the company had sent me. These are 9/16 tack 18, and it looks like it's starting to snow on me here. So I did put down some anti-seize, because you got aluminum, made it up to a steel surface, so you know what happens between those two. So at a later time, I am going to have to replace this this rotor and this caliper. So yeah, I don't want this to be permanent on there. So we'll get installing and see what it looks like in a little bit. All right, there you have it. 2.5 inch spacer. Perfect. Perfect alignment. Still need to bring the truck down, but that's exactly the look I'm after. So that compared to that. And again, it's starting to snow out here, so alright. Glad I didn't go with the 2.5 inch. Perfect. Well, that's one down, 3 more to go. WC Cougar X out.